are going to find the square roots of a given number. Okay, so first open your class 8 book, and in this I will start the exercise 3.2, and in this you will learn how to find the square root of a given number. So first, what is the meaning of the square root? Okay, first you learned about the square of a number. Okay, square of a number means that when you multiply a given number by itself, then you get a square number. That is like 4 into 4 equal to 4 into 4 equal to 16. So 4 square equal to 16. That is the square of 4 is 16, and similarly the square of 9 is 81, and so on. So I discussed how to find this square, but now we are going to find the square roots. Okay, so root means here that suppose we have to find the square root. The square root means that it is the reverse process of square. Okay, just opposite of the square. Finding the square root is the reverse of the finding the square. So in this, suppose you have to find the square root of 25. Okay, the symbol for root is this. So the square root of 25. So actually what we have to find when we are told that we have to find the square root of 25 means we have to find a number. Okay, we have to find a number whose square is 25. Okay, so here actually you want to find the square root of 25 means actually we are finding we will find the, or we are looking for a number. Okay, we are looking for a number whose square is 25. That is the square root. So here whose square is 25? Can you guess whose square is 25? It is 5. So it means that the square root of this is 5. Okay, so in this way we can find the square root. This is the meaning of square root. Okay, and there are many methods of finding the square root, but here just I am discussing you what is the meaning of the square roots. Okay, so there are many numbers like suppose 9. So what is the square root of 9? So 9, what is the square root of 9? 9. So here you can change this question that what is the number? Okay, you can change this statement in another way. What is the number whose square is 9? Okay, that is here both are same things here, that what is the square root of 9, or you can say the same thing in this manner, that is what is the number whose square is 9. So we have to find the number whose square is 9. So whose square is 9? Which number has the square 9? That is what is the number if you square then you will get 9, that is 3. So here the answer will be 3. Okay? Okay. So this is 3 here. So similarly here just reframe the statement, then you will get the answer easily. Now the next point is here that for example here the square root of 25 is 5 and the square root of 9 is 3. And next is here, suppose like 5 square. Okay, 5 square is equal to 25, and minus 5 square is also equal to 25. So you have you can say here that the square root of 25 is either 5 or minus 5. That is the root of 25 is either 5 or minus 5. That is the square root of 5 may be 5 or minus 5, because the square of 5 is 25 and the square of minus 5 is also 25. So there are two answers for the square root of a number. Okay, one is positive and other is negative. But in this class we will take only the positive number. Okay, only positive number we will take here. So this is the meaning of the square root. Now next the methods of finding the square root. So first method is to subtract the odd number, okay, from the given number. Then you will get some steps, and then after some steps it will be 0. So let us see how to find the square root of a given number by using this method is called finding the square root by using the successive subtraction of the odd numbers. So take the example of suppose 64, and we have to find the square root of 64 by using the successive subtraction. So first subtract here 1, so it will be 63. Then next odd number will be 3. Then subtract here, it will be 60. Then 60 minus 5 will be 55. Then 55 minus 7 will be 48. And 48 minus 9 will be 39. And 39 minus 11 equal to 28. And 28 minus 13 equal to 15, and 15 minus 15 equal to 0. Now see here that when you started subtracting the odd numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, then in this step we got the difference 0 here. So, and in how many steps we got this difference 0 here? So you have this step number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so in 8 steps we got the difference 0. So therefore the square root of 64 is equal to 8. Okay, so this is the method of finding the square root. The name of this method is the successive subtraction of the odd numbers. Okay, successive subtraction of the odd numbers. This is called the successive. Successive subtraction of the odd numbers. So this is the name of this method, successive subtraction. Okay. So what is the next method? The next method is by using the prime factorization. Okay, the next method is by using the prime factorization. So the method is prime factorization. So this is the method, and in this method we will find the prime factors of a given number. For example, you have the number 1764. Okay, 1764, and we have to find the square root of this number. So first find the prime factors of this number. So here we have found the prime factors of this, that is 1764, that is 1764 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. 7 into 7 here. So now you have the pairs, like this here, 2 has a pair, 3 has a pair, and 7 has a pair. So the square root of 1764 is equal to 2 into 3 into 7, that is 42. So this is the method of finding the square root, that is the prime factorization. Okay, so in this method also you can find the square root of a given number. But this method is useful when the number given is the perfect square. Okay, if the number is not a perfect square, then you cannot find this square root by using this method. So these methods are useful, like the method of subtraction and the prime factorization. These methods are used for finding the square roots of the perfect numbers. Perfect number means that the number which is the square of a natural number. Now there is another method that is called the tens and ones method. Okay, tens and ones method, and this method is used for the small numbers like 4 digit or the 5 digit. Okay, tens method and the ones method. Tens method and ones method. So in this, take the example of a number like 1296. Okay, we have to find the square root of this number. So in this method, from this method here, tens and ones. So first, now see that in this number 1296, the units digit is here, ones digit is 6 here. So you know that 6, and when you find this square root, then you know that the square of 4. Okay, the square of 4 is what? 16. And also the square of 6 is here 36. Okay, so in both numbers we get here 6. So here it means that when you find the square root of this number, then the units or ones digit in the square root will be 4 or 6. Okay, here ones digit. Ones digit in the square root. Maybe 4 or 6. Okay, it is not clear now, but because the square of 4 is 16 and the square of 6 is also 36 here, and in both we have 6, that is why there are two possible values at the ones place of the square root. So ones digit in the square root may be 4 or 6. Okay, now strike this. Okay, now 2 digits are gone here. Now you have here 12 here. So now 12. So what is now find out the square. Okay, that is see here that 1 square equal to 1, 2 square equal to 4, and 3 square equal to 9, and 4 square equal to 16. Okay, but here you see here that 3 square equal to 9 and 4 square is equal to 16, which is bigger than 12. So we will not take 4 square here, and we will take here 3 square equal to 9. That is 3. That is the tens digit. Tens digit is equal to here 3. Okay, so here the possible square root equal to what here 34 or 36. Now we have to find the actual answer here. So we have to find it by actually multiplying here. Now see that here 34 square. The 34 square is what? Find out here 34 square. So since 34 square is equal to 1156 and this is not equal to 1296, and therefore the square root 1296 is equal to here 36. Okay, so from this method we can find the square root of the 4 digit number or the 5 digit number. Okay, this is called the tens and the ones method. So there are 3 methods of finding the square root of a perfect number. Okay, these are the methods to find out the square root of a perfect number. So now let us solve some questions from the exercise 3.2. Square root of the following numbers by successive subtraction. Okay, successive subtraction. So question number 1 and solve question number B. Okay, 121. We have to find the square root of this number by using the successive subtraction. Okay, by the odd number. So here start this number by subtracting 121 minus 1 equal to 120, and 120 minus 3 equal to 117, 117 minus 5 equal to 112, and 112 minus 7 equal to 105, and 105 minus 9 equal to 96, 96 minus 11 equal to 85, and 85 minus 13 is equal to 72, and 72 minus 15 equal to 2. 57. 57 minus 17 equal to 40, and 40 minus 19 equal to 21. Then 21 minus 21 equal to 0. So now see that after some steps we got the difference 0. So in how many steps we got the difference 0? So count, it will be 11. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So in 11 steps we got the difference 0 here, and therefore the square root of 121 equal to here 11. Okay, so in this way you will do the question. And similarly the question number D, 169. Okay, question number D, you have 169 and we have to find the square root of this by using the successive subtraction of the odd numbers. So here start with 1, so it will be 168. 168 minus 3 equal to 165. Then 165 minus 5 equal to 160. And 160 minus 7 equal to 153. 153 minus 9 equal to 144. Okay, here it will be 144. And then 144 minus 11 equal to 133, and 133 minus 13 equal to 120, and 120 minus 15 is equal to 105. 105 minus 17 equal to 88, and 88 minus 19 equal to 69. 69 minus 21 equal to 48, and 48 minus 23 equal to 25. Then 25 minus 25 equal to 0. So here we got the difference 0 in how many steps here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So in 13 steps we got the difference 0, and therefore the square root of 169 is equal to 13. Okay. So I did 2 questions, and there are some questions remaining in this question number 1. So you will do the question number A, then question number C. Okay. I did 2 questions and there are 4 questions. So now question number 2. Find the square roots of the following numbers by using their ones and tens digit. Okay, using their ones and tens digit. So find out the second question, or first do here question number 2. A. Okay, here the first number is 529. Okay, 529, and we have to find the square root of this number. So first see the 2 digits here. Okay, and in this 2 digit the ones digit is 9. Okay, ones digit is 9. So here equal to 9, and you know that 9 is the square of 3. Okay, that is in 2 ways you will get 9, because you know 3 square. Okay, 3 square equal to 9, and 7 square equal to 49. So in these 2 cases you will get 9 as the ones digit. So the possible digit. Okay, the possible digits. So here possible digits in the possible digits in the, or you can write the possible ones digit. Possible ones digit in the square root equal to either 3 or 7. Okay. Now get this here. Now come to this number 5. Okay. Now what is the tens digit here and the possible here? The tens digit equal to tens digit because it is 5 here. So remember this 1 square. 1 square equal to 1 and 2 square equal to 4 and 3 square equal to 9. So 3 square to 9 is bigger than 5. So we will take 2 square here. So the tens digit will be here 2. Then the possible square root. Root of 5 to 9 is equal to 23 or 27. Now we have to find the actual here. So multiply. You know here that since 23 square equal to 5 to 9 and therefore the square root of this number is equal to 500. That is the square root of this number is equal to 23. Okay, so in this way we can find by using the tens and ones and tens method. So first we will find the ones digit of the square root and then the tens digit of the square root. And so this is the answer here. Question number B. Question B. The question number B is 2601. Now we have to find the square root of this number. So here the possible ones digit. Okay, write possible ones digit of the square root equal to what? It is 1 here. So you know that 1 square equal to 1 and also 9 square equal to 81. So the possible digits are 1 or 9 because 9 square equal to 81. So in that also 9 square equal to 81. So in this you have 1 and 1 square equal to 1. So here also 1. So that is why here we have the possible digits of this square root of this number is either 1 or 9. Okay. Now move on to this these two digits 26 here. So 26, what is the square root of 26 here? You know 5 square equal to 25. Okay, and 6 square equal to 36. So 6 square equal to 36 is greater than 26. So we will take 5 square. So here the possible or here the tens digit. Tens digit of the square root equal to 5. Okay. Therefore, also the square root of 2601 is equal to either 51 or 59. Okay. Now find the square root of 51. 51 into 51. So this here, so we have found here the square root of 51 is this much. Therefore you can write here that the square root of 2601 is equal to 51 because the square of this will be bigger than this number. So the right answer is 51. Okay. So in this way I have found this answer. Next question, question number 3. Okay. Other questions are your homework. Like the question number A and B I did, then C and D is your homework. Question number 3, find the square root of the following by prime factorization. Okay, so in this we have to find the square root by using the prime factorization method. So the first question is 1936. So this is the prime factorization of this number, and therefore you will write 1936 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 11 into 11, and therefore the square root of this number is 2 into 2 into 11. So the answer is 44. Okay. So this is the answer of this question 44. Okay. Now the question number B. Find out the root of this number, that is 3844. Okay. Question number B. And question number 3B, that is the number is 3844, and we have to find the square root of this number by using the prime factorization method. So find the prime factorization of this number. Now this number will go by this number 3, will not go by 3. Try this number by 3, so this number will not go by 3, okay, because it is 961, so this will not go by 3. Then 4, 5, it will not go by 5 also, and it will not try with 7. It will not go by 7 also. So by which number it will go then? 7, 8. It will go by 31. Yes, it will go by 31 because this is a prime number. So 31, right? And therefore the prime factors of this are, you will write 3, 8, 4, 4 equal to 2 into 2 into 31 into 31, and therefore the square root of this number 3844 is equal to 2 into 31 equal to 62. Okay, so this is the answer. Next number is 5184. So 5184. Question number C. So this is the prime factorization, then the square root of this number is equal to, here you can see the pairs here, 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pair and 5 pair here. So write each number once. The pair of 2, there are 3 2's here, and this, then multiply this. 2 to the 4 to the 8, 3 24, 3 72. So 72 is the square root of this number. So now I did all the 3 questions. Now question number D is left, so you will do it yourself. And question number 4 now. So in question number 4, you are given gardener grows 2025 plants in his garden. Okay, 2025 plants in this garden in the form of a square. Find the number of plants in each row. Okay, number of plants in each row we have find. So our gardener grows 2025 plants in his garden and in the form of square. So we have to find the square root of this number and you will get the answer. So first understand the question. There are 2000 number of plants equal to 2025 and the farmer has planted the plants in such a way that it forms a square. Okay, so it forms a square. Suppose you have 9 plants. Okay, 9 plants are there. Suppose a simple example, there are 9 plants. Okay, and if you plant like this, that is 3 plants in row. Okay, then it will make a square like this. Okay. Now see here that if you have 9, then it will make a square. Similarly, if you have suppose 16, then you have 1 plant, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and 1, 2, 3 and 4, and 1, 2, 3 and 4, and 1, 2, 3 and 4. That is, if you plant equal number of plants in each row, then you will get this kind of square. Here 4 plants in this row and 4 also in this, and in this way you will have a square. So here also the farmer has planted like this, but the number is large here. So first find out the square root here. So 2025, and then what is the square root of this number? Then you can find the square root of this number by using the prime factorization method. So find the prime factors of this. So this is the prime factors, therefore 5 into 5 into 3 into 3, that is 225. Oh no, only 5 is there, only one 5 is there. So the answer is not this. 5 9 is 45, that is 45. So in this question, therefore the number of plants in each row. Therefore the row equal to 45. That is, if the farmer has planted 45 plants in each row, then he will make a square of the plants. So this is the answer. And what is next question? The next question is find the smallest square number which is exactly divisible by. Okay, find the smallest square number which is exactly divisible by 4, 5, 6 and 12. So how will you do this question? Find the smallest square number which is exactly divisible by 4, 5, 6 and 12. Okay. So here first you have to find the LCM of the number 4, 5, 6 and 12. Because LCM of a number, like if you find the LCM of these numbers, then that LCM will be divisible by 4, 5, 6 and 12. So first find out the LCM of 4, 5, 6 and 12. LCM of 4, 5, 6 and 12. So find out the LCM. So this, therefore, LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, that is 60. So this is the LCM of these numbers. Okay, and this 60 is divisible by 4, 5, 6 and 12. exactly, and then we have to find a square number. Okay, we have to find the square number which is divided by these numbers. So what is the square number here? Now see that in this number here we have the pair of 2. Okay, we don't have the pair of 3 and 5. So the least square number, okay, here least number which is exactly divisible by 4, 5, 6, 12 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Because this when you multiply this number by 3 and 5, then it will make a pair of 3 and 5 both. And therefore the number will be here. So here you have multiplied 5 and 3 extra. So 15, that is, it will be here 900. Okay. So this is the answer of this question here. And this is the smallest square number which will be divisible by 4, 5, 6 and 12. And this number will be divisible by these numbers 5, because you know that the LCM of these numbers is 60, and therefore any multiple of 60, okay, any multiple of 60 will be divisible by this here. And this 60, this 900 is also a multiple of 60. But here the special thing is that this is the perfect square. Okay, so that is why here we have to multiply these numbers like here 3 and 5, so that it will be a perfect square. So this is the smallest square number which is exactly divisible by 4, 5, 6 and 12. Now the question number 6, find the smallest number by which each of the following numbers should be multiplied to get a perfect square. So first we will find the, this is the question number 5, okay, this is 5 here, this question. Now question number now 6. So in this first find the prime factors of this number. Question number 1 is, number is 1280. So find the prime factors of this number. So here they are right. 1280 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into, how many times are there? 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pair. So 8 times. So 2 into 5. So you have here 8 pairs of 2's. And but here see that 5 does not form a pair. So we have to multiply this number by 5 to make it a perfect square. Okay? So here you will write the statement that here since 5 does not have a pair, so multiply 1280 by 5 so that 5 will have a pair. Okay, 5 will have a pair, and therefore you will have the number, therefore the perfect square number. Number equal to 1280 into 5, because the factors of 1280 is already this, okay, and here we have multiplied extra 5 here, so it will be here into 5. So this will be the perfect square. 0 then 64, that is 6400 is the answer, and this 6400 is the perfect square number. So we can make, if you are given any number, then we can multiply by the suitable number to make it a perfect square. And we will find which number is not making the pair, so we will multiply by that number, and then we will get the perfect pairs, and then the resulting number will be a perfect square. Question number, so A is this, that question number D. Okay, solve question number D. Question number D, 3564. 3564, and then find the prime factors of this. Now we have this 891. So what is the square of this 8191? So now find by using the ones and tens so that the square of this number 891, or it will go by 3. Now this number, so these are the prime factors here, and therefore 3564 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 11. Now here see that here 2 has a pair, okay, and 3 has the pairs, okay, and 11 does not have a pair, okay. So here you will write that since 11 does not have a pair, so multiply this number, okay, multiply 3564 by 11, okay, by 11, so that 5 will have, or you will have, that is 11 will have the pair, okay, and therefore the perfect square number is equal to 3564 into 11. So multiply this number and then you will get the answer. So what will be the answer? 3564 39204 4. Okay. Yes. So this is the number which is a perfect square. Okay. So here in this number, this is not a perfect square because 11 does not make a pair. So if you multiply this number by 11, then you will have a pair of 2, 3, 3 and 11, and then the resulting number is this. So this number is a perfect square. Okay. So now question number 7. Find the smallest number by which the following number should be divided so as to get the perfect square, and find the square root of the numbers to obtain. So this is the same as the question number 6, but like here in this question, find the smallest number by which the following number should be divided. Okay. In this question, we have to find a number. In this question, we have to multiply a number. Okay, we have to multiply a number so that the given number becomes a perfect square. And here we will do the reverse. That is, we have to divide a given number so that the resulting number will be a perfect square. Okay. So here see that it is this number here, and if you want to make it a perfect square by dividing some number, then what would you do here? Here, because this is already in pair, this is in pair, this is in pair. So 11 is not in pair, so you will divide this number by 11. So this 11 will be removed, and therefore the resulting number will be a perfect square. So here, that is what we have to do in this question. So you have to you have to find the again prime factors, and then you will see that which number is not making the pair, and then you will divide the given number by those numbers which are not making the pairs, and then you will get that answer. So question number 7. Question number 8. This number is here 6, 3, 3, 6. So find the factorization. 2 3 are 6, and then 2 1 are 2 here, and 2 6 are 12, and 2 8 are 16 here. Then 2 1 are 2, 2 5 here, 10. So this here. Now in this is not correct. So the correct factorization is this here, that 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So there are 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair. So you have here, that is 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, and this, and then this. So see that 11 is not making a pair. Okay? So 11 is not making the pair. Okay, therefore divide this number. Therefore divide 6, 3, that is this, divided by, or you will write it that so to make a perfect square, we have to divide 6 3 3 6 by 11, and therefore the resulting number equal to 6 3 3 6 divided by 11. So how much it will be? So that is here, remove 11, so and multiply the other numbers, then you will get the answer. So what is the answer here in this? 2 3 are 4, and so divide this number 6 3 3. Here answer will be here 576. Okay, so this is the answer here. So this is the answer in this, and now do the question number 1875. That is question number 7. Okay. Yes. So this is the answer. Now question number B. So here the number is 1,02,487. So find the prime factors of this. So by what number this will go? First, it will not go by 3 and will not go by 2 also. So it will go by 11. Okay, so divide this by 11. So 11 9 ja 99, 34, then 3, then 1, and then this. Then next, again we go by 11. So 11 8 ja 88, then 5, then 4, and 7. Now this number will go by which number? It is 7 here. So try with 13. This number will not go by 13 also. So it is 47 and 13. Then you have the next prime number is what? 14, 14, 15, 16, 17. So try with 17. Okay, leave this question and I will do this in the next class. Okay, it will take time. So, question number B. Okay, I will do question number B then, and find this. It will go by 5. This here, so here you see that here 3 is not taking the pair, therefore you will divide this number by 3. Okay, then the answer will be 625. So this is the perfect square, and we have to find this square root of this number also. So the square root of this number is this equal to 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So here the answer will be 5 into 5 equal to 25. So the square root of this number is also 25. Okay. So now there are some questions in this which is left. So that is your homework. Okay. So this exercise is finished now, 3.2. Now we will do the next exercise in the next class, and I will also solve the question which I did not solve here. Okay, question number C I will do. Okay, because it is taking a lot of time, so I did not solve it. Right. So in the next class I will do it, and then you will do other questions, and you have the homework in this. You will do all the questions as your homework. Okay. So thank you for watching. Now